The best websites to get paid for doing short tasks. Hello and welcome back to another video here on e-commerce know-how. Everyone is looking for a job, and in today's day and age where finding a job is a chore in itself, most of the jobs don't pay well, making you having to find another job that pays you a little extra. But did you know that you can earn that little extra from the comfort of your own home by doing some trivial tasks online? Stay tuned as we take a look. So, what are task jobs? A task job is any job or assignment that can be completed in a short amount of time. The tasks that be completed vary in nature, such as writing, editing, taking surveys, transcription, watching a video, online research, etc., as does the pay. But the reason this is such an excellent opportunity for many is that the tasks can be done at any time, and the majority of short jobs don't require you to be on the phone all the time. So let's take a look at a few of such great websites. Swagbucks. The first website on the list is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is a microtasks platform where you can earn points called SB, which you can redeem for gift cards and cash via PayPal. With Swagbucks, you can earn SB by watching videos, playing games, answering questions, shopping online, and even surfing the web using their search bar. If you refer your friends, you can earn even more. New users will receive a $5 sign-up bonus. Swagbucks has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Swagbucks is a great website if you are looking to make regular cash every month. It doesn't take much of your time, and the more effort you put in, the more you earn. Inbox Dollars. Next up, we have Inbox Dollars. With Inbox Dollars, you can earn cash for taking surveys, reading emails, playing games, redeeming coupons, searching the web, and shopping online. Membership is free, and you'll earn $5 for signing up. Your account must reach a $30 threshold before your payment is issued. Payment options include check, PayPal, or gift cards from major retailers. There is an age threshold on this website, since Inbox Dollars is open to US residents 18 years and older. They have a B+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Course Hero. Course Hero is a short task platform that hires native English speakers from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia to tutor high school and college students with course-specific questions. Individuals must have a bachelor's degree. Tutors can earn an average of $3 per question, earning around $12 to $20 per hour. Work as many hours as you'd like. All you need is a reliable internet connection. Course Hero has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Now, if you aren't from the countries mentioned above, you won't be able to sign up to Course Hero. But don't worry, websites like Chegg and transtutors.com work fine and are available for people from any country to sign up. You will have to upload your documents, including ID proof and degree/education certificates, in order to work on these websites. The payments, which are similar to Course Hero, can be made via PayPal or bank transfer. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. Over at Amazon, you can make money online working on HITS, human intelligence tasks. A few of the tasks that are listed include transcribing information from a business card to a form, payout 2 cents. Another task was to transcribe a voicemail from audio to text, audio length 3 hours, payout $76.19. After you complete the task and the requester approves your work, the money is deposited into your Amazon account. This is one of the best platforms to work online and has a decent pay rate. The work is also simple and easy to understand. This is more of a data entry job website, but as you saw earlier, it also includes transcription and other job opportunities. Lionbridge. Next up, we have Lionbridge. Lionbridge is a website that hires independent contractors to work on microtasks like translation, transcription, rating ads, annotation, search engine evaluation, and testing. You must first prove your proficiency by taking and passing relevant evaluation tests, which I've heard are challenging. Once they have your evaluation scores, you'll receive invites to work on available projects. With these gigs, you can work whenever, wherever, and as much as you'd like. Lionbridge has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Appen. Finally, we have Appen. Appen is a virtual workspace where you can earn money by completing simple tasks on your computer. Tasks include internet research, data collection, data categorization, content creation, content moderation, and surveys, and many other microtasks that can be done anywhere in the world. Appen has an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. As you can see, this is yet another data entry website. However, if you aren't interested in data entry, there are other tasks you complete as well. So there you have it. These are some really great websites that pay you for completing short tasks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.